Today, February 24 marks 4 years since Russia launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine in 2022, a war that reshaped geopolitics, disrupted global markets, and altered strategic alignments across continents. What began as a regional conflict quickly evolved into one of the most consequential global crises of the 21st century. The war that redefined Europe's security architecture. On February 24, 2022, Russian forces ordered by President Vladimir Putin crossed into Ukraine from multiple directions. Ukraine, led by President Volodymyr Zelensky, mounted fierce resistance. The war triggered the largest land conflict in Europe since World War II. Massive civilian casualties and displacement. Millions of Ukrainian refugees moving into Europe. Sweeping Western sanctions on Russia. The conflict also strengthened the role of NATO, with Finland and Sweden moving closer to the alliance, fundamentally altering Europe's strategic map. The war sent tremors across global markets. Energy crisis. Europe's dependence on Russian gas became a vulnerability. Energy prices surged worldwide in 2022 and 2023, driving inflation. Food security concerns. Ukraine, a major grain exporter, saw ports blockaded earlier in the war. Disruptions impacted food supplies in Africa and parts of Asia. Sanctions and financial isolation. The United States and the European Union imposed extensive sanctions on Russian banks, businesses, and individuals, reshaping global trade flows. India adopted a carefully calibrated position. It abstained on several resolutions and the United Nations condemning Russia. It called for dialogue and diplomacy. It maintained energy ties with Moscow while deepening engagement with Western partners. Operation Ganga, rescuing Indians from war zones. In early 2022, India launched Operation Ganga to evacuate thousands of Indian nationals, many of them students, stranded in Ukraine. Special flights operated from neighboring countries. Union ministers were sent to coordinate evacuations. Thousands of Indians were safely brought home. The operation was widely covered domestically and internationally as a major evacuation effort amid an active war. Donald Trump's claims and the ongoing conflict. During the 2024 US presidential campaign, Donald Trump repeatedly stated he could end the Russia-Ukraine war quickly if elected. However, as the conflict entered its fourth year, no comprehensive peace settlement has been achieved. Despite intermittent diplomatic efforts and back-channel talks, fighting has continued, with shifting front lines but no decisive end to hostilities. The war remains unresolved, underscoring the complexity of negotiations involving territorial control, security guarantees, and geopolitical interests. A war without a clear endgame. 4 years on, the Russia-Ukraine war has deepened East-West divisions, accelerated military spending globally, triggered long-term energy diversification in Europe, reinforced India's strategic autonomy approach. As the conflict continues, its impact extends far beyond the battlefield, influencing global politics, defense policies, economic strategies, and diplomatic alignments. The fourth anniversary is not just a marker of time, it is a reminder that one regional war has permanently altered the world order.